idea of a bridge spanning Sydney Harbour was first proposed as early as the mid-19th century. However, it wasn't until the early 20th century that the plan started to take a more concrete shape. In 1919, the New South Wales government officially launched a worldwide design competition for the proposed bridge. Fast forward to 1924, and the design from a British firm, Dorman Long and Co. Limited, was chosen. The design was a massive arch-based structure inspired by the Hell Gate Bridge in New York City. Construction officially commenced in July of 1923 and took almost a decade to complete. From the outset, the project was a colossal undertaking. The construction of the bridge required more than 14,000 men, 6 million hand-driven rivets, and 53,000 tons of steel. The builders faced numerous challenges, not least of which was the need to keep the bustling harbour operational throughout the construction process. Over the course of the next 9 years, the two halves of the arch were slowly built out from each shore. The builders used a cantilever approach, with large steel cables supporting the growing arch. These cables were anchored in tunnels dug into the sandstone bedrock on each side of the harbour. In 1932, the two halves of the arch finally met in the middle. The moment was marked with great celebration as the last rivet was driven home by the then Premier of New South Wales, Jack Lang. The Sydney Harbour Bridge was officially opened to the public on March 19, 1932. Since then, it has become an iconic symbol of Sydney and Australia as a whole. In summary, the construction of Sydney Harbour Bridge was a feat of engineering prowess. It required an immense amount of resources and manpower and faced numerous challenges. But the result is a structure that is not only functional, but also a work of art, a symbol of the city, and a testament to human ingenuity. Remember, next time you see a bridge, it's not just a pathway, it's a story of hard work, dedication, and the desire to connect people and places. And the Sydney Harbour Bridge? Well, it's one of the greatest stories ever told.